Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group in Roblox. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our Roblox website. So you need just to go to your web browser and type roblox.com. Then you will need just to log in into your account, and here in the main menu, we need just to search for the groups menu or the group page. To do so, you click here on this navigation bar. We can find it here in this menu or in this toolbox or tool menu. We click on the nav bar here, and basically we will find home, profile, messages, etc. And if we go down a little bit, we will find groups. We click on groups, and basically here you can find many groups that you can join or uh, be a member of. So you can just click here and join group. But we are interested in creating our own groups. So basically you will need just to click create group. You give it a name, description, and of course you can select an image from your computer to add it as an emblem, for example. And here you can have the settings for your group, either manual approval, so you need just they need to take your permission, or you need to give them permission to join your group, or you can have it a public group in anyone can join. And basically here in the name group, you can make sure to have it some significant name or something interesting, like to have more people to join you. And here you need just to have the description. And of course it is just optional, and then you will need just to pay 100 coins and you will have your group that will be created. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.